ভালো আছি।
We would like to hear, today is the appearance day of Lalita Saki. So if you can say about her.
Who is Lalita Saki?
The Radharani's Kaya Vyuha, expansion, bodily expansion.
Bodily
Means that transcendental.
Radharani explained himself, serve Krishna in 8 numbers. Though so, they are not other than Radharani. There are no any desire without the desire of Radharani. That is the specialty of the Ashtasukhi. So they are always serve Radha Krishna. And Radharani try to satisfy them. It is the specialty of Radharani. Because Radharani himself, Lolita and everything. Lolita's special, dearest Sokhi of Radharani. She performed Aruti, Lolita. And Lolita, when Radharani in the behalf of Krishna, he is very mourned. Then Lolita told her, you don't think about Krishna. By the thinking of Krishna, you lost your health, your color, you become a blackish from golden. So this kind of thinking you left. Then Radharani told, it is not possible for me. Why not possible? You don't utter the name of Krishna. It is not possible. Because when I utter the name Krishna, then my tongue is dancing. Then I think it is not wise of the Creator. They have given me one single tongue. I think so many tongues to utter Krishna. And when I listen the word Krishna, I think only 2 years is not sufficient. I once 10,000 years. So, how is it possible for me? It is not. And he uttered the name of Krishna. very smiley in his mind. Krishna attracted by the utter name of Krishna by Radharani. Why? Radharani says, Cheto prangana sangini bijate sarvendriyanam kritim. When I remember in mind, then all the senses was stopped. I never seen anything. Ear not listen. Skin no touch. Everything stopped. Only action of mind. Sarvendriyanam kritim. No jane jo nitya. Kiyodhi amritvi krishniti varnati. It is difficult for me to know the secret. What kind of Amrit Visasa create the name of Krishna. Krishna was attracted by the utterance of Krishna and he touched the body of Radharani. Radhe, I came. No action. Then Krishna think. They knows everything. They know my smell. They are not feeling the touch of mine. I utter Radhe, he never listen. How is it possible? And his eye was not seeing me. I am present there. Or he never seen me. No action of nose, eye, ear, skin, everything. Then Krishna think, I am like to taste the name of Krishna. My name, I like to taste it. How wonderful it is. Then he think if I act as the Premik Bhakta like Radharani, then I can taste the name of Krishna. Then Krishna appeared with the color of Radharani and bhav of Radharani as a Lord Chaitanya. So, the cause of it is Lolita. And Chaitanya Dev always uttered the name Krishna. Kaha Krishna Paranath Murali Badan. Kaha jao, kaha pao, Brajandananda. Like Radharani. To taste only the name of Krishna. This is the function of Lolita. Not only that, every person. So he is the leader. He knows everything. you kirtan in Damodar Vrata, देखिया
Arunodaya.
বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় কুঞ্জে নানা রব করাইল সুকোসারি উঠে রাধা সখীগণ
দেখি খ্রিস্ট হইল।
দেখি হৃষ্ট হইল ওয়াই দে আর হৃষ্ট হ্যাপি and why বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত হয় why বৃন্দা দেবী ব্যস্ত not others
It's her duty to
no as Brinda Devi is the boss of the group by the engagement of Radharani সমস্ত বৈকুণ্ঠ শিরোমণি শ্রী কৃষ্ণস্য বৃন্দাবন ধন্য ধামনি দত্তাধিকারে বৃষভানুপুত্র বৃন্দে নমস্তে চরণারবিন্দ This engagement by the Radharani সমস্ত বৈকুণ্ঠ শিরোমণি understand সমস্ত বৈকুণ্ঠ
all Vaikunthas,
so many Vaikuntha of Ram, Vaikuntha of Narayan, Vaikuntha of Narsimha, Varaha, Vaman, everything. They are Shiromani, the stone of the head, Shiromani, stone. কৃষ্ণস্য বৃন্দা বনধন্য ধামনে কৃষ্ণস্য কৃষ্ণ का the धाम of Vrindavan. He is the
highest.
authority. Dattadhikari Vrishabhanuputra will give us the power Radharani. So she is in charge of every lila. So it is the duty of Brinda. So he is very much alert and all the tree, bird, everything, they obey the order of Brinda. So she can order, not others. They are obey the order of Brinda Devi. So they request Brinda. Even on the tree, bale, Kripa also, they are follow the order of Brinda Devi. So she engaged birds for
Singing the glories.
singing the glory of Radha Krishna in their own tone. Even on the monkey, his tone was good. Why? No hearts. Because in the Leela of Krishna, all are glory, all are equal to serve Krishna. Everything is served to Krishna. As you are not like chili, but chili is also necessary for the service of God. You are like sugar. Sugar is also necessary for the service of Lord. Everything.
Krishna is chili.
So all these vegetables making
different taste.
different,
For the
that
service.
taste is different, but they are, when they are mixed with a vegetable that is called lapra. So they used everything properly. And they think by taste you are not supplied properly chili, you are not supplied proper sugar, you are not used proper sour, you are not used proper salt. Who can say? Taster can say. So everything is for the service of the Lord. Nowadays, those who are know in this matter, they think all are necessary for the service of the God. So you cannot kill snake. You cannot kill anything. Tiger. Previously, if you kill one tiger, you are rewarded by the government. Nowadays, if you kill a tiger, government will punish you, put in jail, because everything is necessary. If you like to save the climate, everything is necessary. Snake, tiger, dog, cat, mouse, rat, everything. If you keep one goat in thousands of cows, then the cow was saved from the TB. If you keep one those rat, what kind of rat? The bad smell rat. You seen? Never seen.
Here also some
Red smell.
You seen? Very bad smell.
smell not, but rat I saw.
Hmm?
I saw rat.
Huh?
I don't remember bad smell.
Acha. Two kinds of rat. One is very bad smell and his utterance is not good. Yes. But it is essential. See, save your life from the plague. If one that kind of rat with thousands of general rat, then you are saved. Otherwise, plague will attack you. So the Creator is not less intelligent to your scientist. It is late to know these things by your scientists. When tsunami came, you know tsunami? Then the big building of Andaman Nicobar was collapsed. But the original inmates of Andaman Nicobar, there are not a single who lost their life, because there are no everything. When there are no, the tsunami may come. Then they are proceed to deep in the jungle. But the big rest house constructed by the government engineer and everything, they are collapsed. The inmates of the Andaman Nicobar Deep Islands, they are great scientists than your scientists. They are know everything. Even the ant, you see an ant, he knows everything. When the flood will come, then the ants, they are from down to go up. In Mayapur, if you see, the ants are going up, then you think the flood will come. There are no previously than you. You are a man. You think you are more intelligent than ants, but they are, you see ant, and see his nose, ear. You see a kind of bird. They are more intelligent than you. They make their bush as they prepare the door, the nose from this side. The rain will come. Then he closed that side and opened other side. We understand to see that bush that this year the rain will come from this side. Why there no? And you keep sugar here, then ant will come. You invite them. Why they are coming? By smell. You never seen his nose? How it is possible for his? By smell? You seen or eye?
Can I make a question?
One.
No. So, everything is dependent by the Creator. Creator give you the power, limited power. You cannot increase it or decrease it. snake. Seen by eye. Snake seen through eye. Hair seen through ear. You can hear through your ear?
Here.
No, hair. देखिए your nose only
Smell.
smell, ear
Hearing.
hearing, eye
See.
but this eye of the snake he can hear. Is it possible for you? The face work through ears. They can use ear as a nose. So every indriya, every senses of God can do every work. So, as God is, you offer to God anything? Where? You give food to God in his mouth. Where?
Plate. Tali.
Through?
Not directly.
Huh?
Not directly.
Not directly. So you keep your plate in the foot, near the foot of your deity. You can take.
Oh, by foot.
Yes. Because he is the creator. He is every senses. Can do every work. And he create so many
Species. Life species.
so many lives to see you, to see you, is that it is possible to do anything by any senses. For God only, not for you. If not, then why this snake sin? I and snake, listen, I. Here, listen. Seen through ears. Everything, it is possible. And for the God, everything is possible. and his energy, Shakti, can do everything according to his desire. Because he gave the energy, gave the power for his enjoyment. So, all these Shokis from not other than Krishna, then they are not other than Radharani. He explained from 1 to 8. Then every Shokhi explained their serviceable body. That is called Manjuri. But if you think all are the power of Krishna, for the service of Krishna, everything is for Krishna. So Lolita is not other than Radharani. Radharani is not other than Krishna. As you are, serve your hand through this hand. Who serve you?
You serve yourself by that power.
Ourselves. So Krishna serve
Serving himself by them.
by them, by this service. So, tomorrow is
Radhashtami.
Radhashtami. Then
Ekadashi.
Ekadashi. Then
Baraha Dvadashi.
Path.
And Jiva Goswami
Appearance day.
appearance.
Then
Then Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur
appearance.
appearance.
And then
29th
The-
is,
Nityananda Haridas Thakur.
yes, disappearance.
Disappearance. And
Vishwarup Mahotsav, 30th.
then Vishwarup Mahotsav.
Maharaj, I have one question.
हाँ
Question.
क्या क्या बोल रहे
How we can get the
She
mercy of
has one
Lalita Devi?
question.
हाँ
How we can get the mercy of Lalita Devi?
क्या बोलते
How we can get the mercy of Lalita Devi?
by the service of Krishna will only one way to serve Krishna through Radharani, not directly.
Under the guidance of Radharani.
Yes, without the guidance of Radharani you cannot serve.
She's asking how practically to.
Practically you follow the direction of Radharani. That is, you seen from the literature. According to literature, you follow.
What literature?
क्या?
Which literature?
With every literature, from Bhagavad, from Chaitanya Charitamrita. But you cannot see. Your eye is not capable to see. So you have listened from the devotee.
Guru Vaishnava.
Yes, devotee. Without the hearing from the Guru Vaishnava, you cannot understand anything. The Guru of Prahlad,
Narad.
no, Guru of Prahlad,
Sanda
Umark, son of Sukrajarya. They read
read Shastra,
Shastra.
but don't know the internal meaning. Only
Because
outwards.
they are not understand the meaning of the Shastra. Because they are not read Shastra under the guidance of Guru Vaishnava. Ruhu Gunai Tattvapasan Jati Nacho Ijjaya no Nibbapanat Griyadva No Chandasa Naiva Jalagni Surjai Bina Mahatpad Rajo Visegam. Without the grace of Mahat devotee, it cannot be. Tapasana jati, by tapasya you cannot get it. No choijya, you perform worship, no. No nidvapanat, you took sannyas, no. Grihadva, you are a household devotee and create so many sons, daughters, yet you are not able to get the grace of it. Not Chandasa, you read all the Shastras, no. Naiva Jalagni Surjai, by
Staying under a hot sun. Tapasya, and in fire. Fire surrounding.
surrounding fire.
And the sun.
No. You are listening the sun and your head in the earth and leg towards sky and your eye engaged to see sun. No. You are under deep water like Sohori. 10,000 years he passed. No. Bina Mahatpad Raju Sekam. And Prahlad says, Nate Vidu Sattvagotengi Vishnu Durasayadi Bahirarthamanina Andha Jathandai Rupaniyamana Sliupi Satantra Urdam Nibadda. Blind can see anything. He can guide to others. If thousands of blind gather, they can see? No. If one
You can see, you can bring many.
many.